Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 96 Porsche Carrera, and see, I really don't remember from which case this is, either it will be L or M case, because when I bought this entire cars which I showcased, during that video on Sunday, so it is a mix of two boxes when I bought it. So someone actually commented, this car is not from this case, it is from M case or so. I don't remember honestly. But as usual, I just want to point this to you guys, and I buy in local shops and I buy it for MRP only. I'm not going to spend a dime more for these cars, to be very honest. Okay, so with that said, so this one is the 96 Porsche Carrera, and this is the Magnus Walker edition. And let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I can see there are a lot of Porsche fans around, more specifically in my group. So I thought of buying this. So personally, I'm a Lamborghini fan, as you can see here. I did reduce this entire setup a little bit so that it would be a little bit cleaner instead of messy all the time. So some people are asking about the cases which I am using. I will be doing a video on that soon, so don't worry about it. Okay, let's have a closer look at this casting. So the first impressions, this looks this looks I don't know what to say. As you can see here, there is a fingerprint here. That is not mine, to be very honest. It is not going. It looks like a fingerprint, you can see here. And there is some paint damage here, paint chipping here, and the logo is not even here. I'm not sure in original Magnus Walker car how this one looks, but the logo is not here in this one. It does have a rear view mirror, which is nice. And as usual, at least the tail lights are painted. Let's see the headlights are not painted. I'm not sure what the deal is. See, they are painting the tail lights, but they're not painting the headlights. You are going to display the car most probably like this, in case if you're displaying, not like this or this. Most probably we won't do that. We will display like this, so that it covers the entire front and side view, including some of the top view. I'm, I'm really not sure. Okay, so the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic, so it's not metal, and as usual, plastic wheels. So it does have some interior. So I'm not giving that much, you know, that much of my concentration to interiors, recently, because honestly, some of the cars I really don't know in which movie or show it came. For example, there was one Pontiac Aztec. So someone mentioned it came in that. Okay, I'm forgetting that show again. So which is related to the drug and everything. So he mentioned there is something on the back side of the casting, that coolers or shades or something. So I really don't remember that, because I'm not a fan. I never saw those series, so I'm not sure. Okay, so at least in the rear, the logo placement looks nice, but still the paint is not really good. And this part here, this is just painted out. It is nothing embossed or engraved, nothing like that. Okay, so let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls at least well. So the wheel does wobble, specifically the front wheels. It wobbles a bit lot, but rear wheel is okay. But it is smooth while rolling. It doesn't create much noise, which is nice. It will be good on track as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.